the signs stuff too, and just like all the different things outside other windows.
Yeah, if we slow down a little bit, we end up losing the vehicle. The snow drifts are getting really huge.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Boom. Boom.
I think we're at the
We just hit a few.
Are we at our turn?
No.
No.
Oh wait, are we?
No, we're at Fisher.
Oh, we're at Fisher.
I couldn't tell.
Yeah, so
You
it's,
can't see across the road.
yeah. Oh, look at that.
Hey, there's
Point
a
at
gas
the
station.
drifts. Those drifts are like about probably 4 feet. Yeah, 3-4 feet. It's more than 4 feet.
Hey, look,
Like
another
6.
vehicle.
Hey, another vehicle.
Hey, I never even knew that. Oh, those guys must have been following the other guys then.
We have 6 people on us. We got the front one, which is a Ford. Then we got like a few more behind
There's
us.
like 3 people behind us. Oh, now you can't see it.
You dropped your phone.
Now this is definitely a convoy. That's
Yeah, it's pretty nice here.
That'd be
Yeah,
funny if we
this
got
is
to
a
our
nice spot.
destination point and there's like 20 people like behind us.
Person with the Chrysler van is getting cocky.
Yeah, he is.
Good luck,
When you get
pal.
cocky, you get in trouble. Don't they have well, it's the voice.
You got Zoom on there too. It's on the top.
Ain't the
How do you stop it?
ain't that
Push
got
the red
volume
button
for
again.
that too?
Yeah, I think so.